Yeah, all the students in the last class we are discussed about a friction force. Okay, clear on that. And we discussed about advantages and disadvantages of the frictional force, and as well as there is a whatever the different types of forces are there. Okay, that is also we are discussed. Yes, and now we are going to discuss about whatever the non-contact forces are there. Yes, and up to tension forces we are discussed. Okay, clear or not? Yeah. All the students here we are discuss about up to what? Up to the tensile forces we are discussing, and now there is a spring force. Whatever the spring force are there is given a spring force. The spring force are there nothing but when we are applied the force on the spring. Okay, itself it only again contains somewhat of forces inside it. Restore the forces whatever we applied it. Okay, na? And then after again it will be given reaction on the body. Got it or not? Yes, when we know very well spring, there is we are playing with the spring pens also. Okay, when we giving a force in a forward direction, that will be restored. That force is restored in that spring. Okay, clear or not? And when we leave that, again that restored force is applied in a backward direction. We applied a force in a forward way, and again it will be reversed. The force is reversed. Okay, clear or not? In the form of a reaction. Got it or not? The force is contained action and as well as the reaction with the same magnitude but opposite in the direction. Got it or not? You know very well about the spring, whatever the forces are contained here. Yes, and here now there is a what we are considered again two forces are there. One is the centripetal force. Another one is centrifugal force. Actually, when the one body is moving in a circular path, okay, now yes, how it is possible to move the one body in a circular path? Got it or not? How it is possible when body is moving in a circular path? The body, when it is moving in a circular motion, compulsory the body influenced by the two forces. One is centripetal force, another one is the centrifugal force. Centripetal force is nothing but which is the body attracting toward the center. Okay, clear or not? Centrifugal force is nothing but the body attracted away from the central forces. Got it or not? Now, there it is the one body, the mass m we are considered here. The mass m is moving in this particular direction. Okay, clear or not? Like that it will be moving. Okay, every time the body moves in this particular direction. Body not moves in this particular direction. Again, it is attracting towards the what? In this particular direction. Okay, every moment, you know very well, when you take here one thread and attach there is thread by the any massive thing, when we revolve like that, suddenly it will be removed from that thread. It is moving in a form of straight line only, not in a circular manner. Got it or not? May you experience somewhat time. Okay, when we move like this, it is in case it will be move away from it. Okay, now what happened? It will be moving in a straight line. Okay, you know very well when there is anyone with any time there is you want to make a surprise of your guest. What we have to do on the fan or otherwise somewhere we are put there is some flower petals or otherwise anything. Okay, when we on the fan, what happens? They are moving. Okay, not like a fan only. They fall. Okay, na, in a straightforward manner. How? There is a two types of forces, not totally straight, not totally toward the fan. Somewhat it will be poured around the fan. Okay, how it is possible? Every point in a circular motion, the body want to move in a linear motion. Yes, it is every body ready to move in a linear motion only. But there is a what it is a working? It is a working by the centripetal force. What is the centripetal force here? Acting toward the center. The force is acting at where? At the center. Understood all of you? But at the same situation, one more force is also working away from the center. Okay, clear or not? Away from the center, but it is not appear for us. Okay, it is also acting equal to the centripetal force. Okay, at that time, the body not selected toward the center, not away from the center. It selected the meanwhile. It will be what? It is away from the center. It is toward the center. It is selected which path? This path. Got it or not? Like that forces are working here. Okay, now it is selected mean path. Okay, clear or not? At every point, here, everywhere. Suppose when you take here, the body want to move in this direction, but centripetal force is attracted towards in this direction. But it is not moves in this direction, but it is not moves in this direction. It is selected mean path. Okay, in this way only the body get in a circular motion. There is every point circular motion. For the purpose of circular motion, the body is depending. A body is influenced by the two forces. One is the centrifugal force. Another one is the centripetal force. What is the centrifugal force? Which is acting toward the center. It is called the centrifugal force. Which is acting away from the center. It is called what? Centripetal force. Got it or not? I hope you got it here. As centrifugal forces are used in all circular motion. Okay, in a washing machine or a laundry dryer, or otherwise when you take a centrifuge. Okay, clear or not? When you go for a dairy milk center, at that particular position, we have one mission. Okay, in that mission, there it will be what it will be made when it will be rotated. There is a heavier things are come towards the center, lighter things are go away from the center. Okay, clear or not? There is a whatever heavier things are there, they come toward the center because of centripetal force. Yes, and the lighter particles are go away from the center. That is called what? A centrifugal force. Okay, clear or not? Here in the washing machine, you know very well, the bed cloths are contain heavy nature. First, they are coming towards the drum of whatever rotating drum of our washing machine. When they become a lighter, after squeezing the total water from it, okay, it will become lighter. Now they are coming out from the center. Got it or not? When they become heavier, again they coming towards the center. When they become lighter, again they coming towards the outer. Okay, clear or not? In this way, there is a washing machine and a laundry dryer. Means what? Dry. It will be make a dry in this particular situation only. And as well as we want to find out the quality of milk. Okay, now the quality of milk purpose, we are using the centrifuge, one machine working based on the centrifuge by using the centrifugal and centripetal force application only. In the milk, there is a what? The content of a butter. Okay, now it is a heavy, it will become what? A center, it will become towards the center. Okay, now in case there is no heavy material like fat and as well as the butter content is the less, it will be go away from the center. Okay, based on that thing only we are find the what is the quality of the milk. Okay, why? Because there is a what? Lighter or go away from the center. Away from the center? Yes, the heavier are become coming toward the center. Okay, clear or not? Yes, this principle is working as based on these two things. Okay, clear or not? So many where not only here, there is our earth revolving around the sun. Okay, and because of the centrifugal and centripetal forces only. Okay, clear or not? And always the earth, whatever water contain on side of the earth only because of what? The centrifugal and centripetal and gravitational force. They all are working. Okay, clear or not? Yes, there is a which is only keep in your mind only one concept. What is that? Yes, which is working a center, which is working here. There is yes, which is working toward the center. It is called what? It is called the centripetal force, which is a go away from the center, which is a working go away from the center. It is called what? Centrifugal force. Yes, got it or not? Centrifugal force is a fictitious force. It is not actually not there, actually not appear. But okay, now it's a possible of revolving of a circular motion equal to centripetal force. One more force is acting away from the center. At that time only possible. We are imagined that there is one more force is there. That is only centrifugal force. I hope you understood. These are the two forces are also called okay types of forces only, and they are available in contact forces and as well as the non-contact forces also. Got it? And here next year there is a gravitational force. Which one is called a gravitational force? Which one is called a gravitational force? The gravitational force is nothing but what? Yes, the because of gravity of Earth or of big bodies. Okay, now yes, they are attracting the everything in the universe. You don't know according to Newton's gravitational law. Newton gravitational law. Every body in the universe is the one is attracted with another. Everybody. Okay, you and me, and the chalk piece and earth, chalk piece and me. This okay, the board and me. There is a whatever the thing you have to consider. You and as well as somewhat another planet, star. Everything is attracted with one another. Attraction is nothing but they may not contact with each other. Okay, clear. Attraction is nothing but somewhat a particular distance also we are attracting. Okay, clear or not? Once check it here, there is a whatever the fruits are there. Okay, yes. After the refining, they are fall down toward the earth. Why? They are not go away from the earth. Why? Yes. Got it or not? When you jump in the air, again you are coming towards the earth only. Why? Why the earth is attracted the things? Okay, clear or not? Earth is a contain a more gravitational force than us. That's why we are coming towards the earth. Okay, clear or not? Yes, earth is a contain only one satellite, but our Saturn is a contain 29 satellites around it, natural satellites. Why there is a earth is always revolving around the sun only? Why it is not revolving around another planet? Why? Because the gravitational force of sun on earth is a greater. Okay, clear or not? Yeah, the gravitational force is one of the attraction forces which is working at a distance. Okay, from some particular distance only. Got it or not? Yes, it is working some particular distance. That is only called a what? A gravitational force. The gravitational force is one of the force which is acting on every body in the universe and one another. It is one of the attraction force only. Okay, but it is directly proportional to product of its masses. It's inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Meaning of what it is this statement? Suppose there is a mass m1 and m2 you have to take. Here there is a whatever the gravitational force F it is there between these two things directly proportional to product of its masses. The masses are increases, more gravitational forces are there. Okay, now less masses are contained, less gravitational forces are there. Got it or not? You are get somewhat doubt. Sir, everything is attracted with us now. The chalk piece is why attracted me. Yeah, attraction is there. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is why only it is appear for me. Understood or not? Yes, and it is appear and not appear. It is may give an attraction on us. Okay, that's why only we are taken whatever astrology. Somewhat it is affected us. Okay, clear or not? Everything is given somewhat attraction force on us. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and all the planets, all the stars, all the celestial bodies, all the bodies in all the non-living, living things, everything. Okay, now they are attracted with us. They are what? Yes, but distance is the main role played here. Yes, when the distance between the two things are contained, distance is r, it will be inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. The distance is increases, gravitational force between two bodies are decreases. Got it or not? Gravitational forces between two bodies are decreases when the distance is increases between the two bodies. Got it or not? Like that, there is so many things are there. Okay, na? Yes, about a gravitational force, you have a lessons only. Okay, now without a gravitational force, we can't live. Okay, in this universe. Okay, clear or not? We not step down on our earth. Okay, it is not possible to step down in your on the moon in a particular condition only. Got it or not? Yes, why? Because we are flying on the moon. Okay, in case why? Because very less gravitational force is there on moon. Okay, in another planet, the gravitational force is greater. Okay, clear or not? And as well as that force, whatever acting on by any other body, okay, any other body due to the one body, it is called as a weight. The gravitational force acting on the body is called as weight. What is that? W. W is equal to taken as what? Mg. W is equal to taken as what? M into G. Weight is nothing but whatever we said weight, it is not a correct actually. It is a mass. We said whatever 60 kgs, 70 kgs, 30 kgs. What is your weight means 50 kgs. It is not a weight actually. It is a mass of the body. Weight is nothing but the gravitational force acting on the body. It is not measured in kgs, it is measured in newtons. Mass is totally different from weight. Okay, we called mass weight only, but it is not a weight, it is a mass. Okay, clear or not? Yes, kgf. We are called kgf. At that time, it is a correct 60 kgf, 60 kg newtons. It is a correct. Okay, clear or not? Yes, we have to find out our weight. We have to take acceleration due to gravity value on that particular place. That is the changes from here to here and here to there. Somewhat, suppose here on Earth, what is your weight? Suppose you contain a 50 kgs and there is a gravitational acceleration due to gravity. You are taken somewhat. Okay, na? Yes, suppose you have to contain somewhat 10 kgs of weight. One body is there. Acceleration due to gravity is a 9.8. Okay, now one body. What is acceleration due to gravity? When I am thrown one body value of acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meter per second square. When one body, when we are make it is like this falling, okay, now that will be how much speed change it is a contain for a second 9.8 meters it's traveled. Okay, clear or not? For a second, how much change of acceleration is there? 9.8 meter per second square. 1 second, within the fractions of second only, one body falls from that particular height to here. Okay, clear or not? It did not take much time. Whatever the body you have to take. Okay, you have to take a 10 kg body, 50 kgs body. Both are reach the same time only to the earth. Okay, clear or not? If there is no air resistance. Got it? I hope you got it here. That it is a become what? A 9.8. It is a 98 newtons. Weight is a what for that body? 98 newtons. Suppose the same body you take on a moon. The same body you take on a moon. Now, what is its weight? Weight of this body is equal to just 16 newtons only. Okay, clear or not? The weight is the changes, but mass is the not changes. Please keep in your mind. You are here, there is a 30 kgs. On the moon also, you are 30 kgs. Okay, when we are go for a moon, we are flying means not because of our weight is not lost. Sorry, our mass is not lost. What we lost? Weight is somewhat decreases. Got it or not? Weight is a what? Decreases. That is only called a what? Weight here. Understood at all? I hope you understood. Weight is one of the force which is working because of gravitational. The gravitational force is working on the body is called weight. Yes, I hope you got it. Next, after this, magnetic forces. You know very well what is the magnetic forces. Okay, now what is the magnetic forces? They are contain a lot of magnetism nature. Okay, clear or not? We contain a magnetic substances around us, lot of magnetic substances around us. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that magnetic substance is the one is attracted with the others. One is attracted with the others. Okay, clear or not? Because of what? Orderness. Because of orderness of substances. Suppose you have to take here magnetic force. Which one is called a magnetic force? And every substance one is not attracted with the other substance. Okay. Suppose you have to take here north and south pole. This is also north and as well as the south pole we are considering. Got it or not? This north and as well as the south pole is attracted with one another. Already you are discussed in your lesson playing with the magnet. Okay, clear or not? Yes, there is a how we are consider that magnetic substance. Yeah, there is a magnetism is nothing but not only attraction and repulsion. When the body is contained inside the molecule in order, okay, now like this order, this is there, this become as a magnet. When the particle inside of it, there is not a contained order, they are in a random nature. Okay, they not proposed, they are not exhibit the magnetic properties. Magnetism is nothing but arrangement of a molecule in a such order. Okay, arrangement of a molecule in a such order is only called magnetism. Yes, the magnetism contains the property of attraction and repulsion. You know very well when they are attracted, when they are repelled. Okay, number of experiments you done. When they are attracted, when they are repelled means that when they contain a similar poles. Okay, north and north poles are they are approaching one another. They are repelled with each other. South and south poles are coming towards one another. They are repelled with each other. North and south poles are what are coming together. South or north poles are coming together. They are attracted with each other. Got it or not? This is only about a magnetism. Depending on the nature of its strength, it's attracted the thing. You know very well. You are you are know very well how to draw the magnetic force of lines. That is by compass. Okay, where the compass is a deflection, that particular place, that magnetic force is there. In the region of that magnetic force field, it is attracted the body without a contact only. There is a no contact is also there. It is a changes the state of the body. Got it or not? Yes, that whatever iron filling you pour on a paper. Okay, now you are take it is without touching only, it will be what? It will be changes its position. Okay, that's why it is a called force or not. State change which is done the physical quantity called force. Okay, without contact only it will be made. And next to come to the electric force. Next, the last force, that is what? Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Okay, you know very well which one is called electrostatic force. Yes, the electrons, you know very well, the atom are contained inside of a substance. The atom is made by which thing? The atom is made by the charges. Okay, clear or not? Charges. Every substance are made by the which things? Atoms. Okay, in everybody, you, me, and this and as well as this board, living things and non-living things. Our universe is only started from where? From that electrons and as well as the protons formation. Got it or not? Already so many times I am asked this question to you. Which is the first? Seed is the first or tree is the first? Egg is the first or egg is the first? Nothing is the first here. Okay, there is a first, there is a one particle is a formed. That particle is a combined together. They are formed as a electron and as well as the proton. Okay, now electron and proton combined together formed as a neutron. This electron, proton, neutron, and all these elementary particles are combined together. They formed as an atom. That atoms and atoms are combined together formed as a molecule. The molecule and molecules are combined together formed as a substance. The substances and substance combined together formed as a things. Okay, got it or not? There is a totally, the substance is formed only from where? Charges. Mainly we contain two types of charges. One is the positive charge, another one is the negative charge. The charges are also like a magnetic force, attracted and as well as the repelled. Okay, some distances only. That's why they call non-contact forces. Okay, now when you take here, there is a one pen in your textbook we have here. You take a comb or a pen. Okay, now you rub with your hair, dry hair. Okay, clear or not? And as well as you take a small piece of paper, small, very small piece of papers. Some particular distance only they are attracted. Okay, some particular distance only they are attracted. It is a called what? It is a called what? Attraction forces. This is a called as attraction forces of electrostatic. The charges are in a static mode. Okay, they are attracted with one another with influence of some forces. Okay, got it or not? Yes, there is attracted forces. Okay, clear or not? These are electrostatic attraction forces. You know very well, lightning. How the lightning is formed? Okay, between exchanges of the charges from one atom to the another atom. Okay, one atom to the another atom. Got it or not? This is only called as electrostatic attraction force. Okay, got it or not? Electrostatic attraction forces. Electrostatic repulsion forces. What is the meaning of electrostatic repulsion forces? When the charges are, one is repelled with another one. One is repelled with another one. Okay, now when they contain a similar nature. Okay, clear or not? Means what? The both are positive, they are repelled with each other. Both are negative, yes, they repelled with each other. The both, one is a positive, another one is a negative. They are attracted some particular distance. Okay, now electrostatic forces are nothing but the charges may not move from one place to the another places. The group of charges are more negative. Another group of charges are contain more positive. They are attracted with each other. Then what you understood when you rub the comb or otherwise the pen, it is attracted means somewhat pens are contain somewhat positive. The paper is a contain negative charges. Got it or not? This is only we called as, okay, now what we called it is called as, yes, it is called as electrostatic forces. Okay, got it or not? Electrostatic attraction and electrostatic repulsion. Okay, now forces are, it is called as what actually? It is called as yes, non-contact forces only. Okay, yes, whatever we are considered here, attraction, repulsion. Okay, now these all are called as, okay, now non-contact forces only. I hope you understood. There is a two types of forces are there. One is the contact forces, another one is the non-contact forces. Okay, clear or not? Contact forces are tensile forces, frictional forces. Okay, clear or not? And as well as deformed forces, muscular forces, normal forces. Okay, spring forces. These all are what actually we are considered as a contact forces. Non-contact forces are nothing but physically one body is not contact with the other body. Physically one body is not a contact with the other body, but there is a force change may consider here. Force is applied on it. Force is changes the state on it. Okay, now that type of the forces are called non-contact forces, like gravitational forces, okay, electrostatic forces and magnetic forces. They not contact with the body, but there are changes, they attract, they repel, the forces somewhat distances on. Okay, clear or not? These are the forces, types are there. Okay, tomorrow we'll go with the what that whatever worksheet is there on these particular forces.